Okay, are we back up again? Oh, yay. Hey, guitar. Okay, let's turn the music back on. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. Like, I looked online, tried to solve the problem, but there was really no clear solution. Like, after a while, some of like my program windows will sort of freeze up, and it's not related to my computer, um, like usage. It's not related to like how much the CPU is being used or anything like that. Okay, music's back up. Let's get Minecraft. One of these unsolvable problems. Oh, I'm sure somebody ran into this problem before. I just need to figure out exactly what's going on. Like, I kind of noticed like what applications are running when it happens. I'm trying to like narrow it down. But when it happens during streaming, I have like everything running at once, so it's kind of hard to narrow down. But like, the computer's not like running at full capacity or anything like that. Oh, Subsonic Deer coming in with the Prime. Thanks so much for using your Prime. Welcome to the Gordy Gang. You can check out all the cool perks you get along with that. With that link there in the chat. Okay, let's load up Minecraft. We'll record a little bit more and then we'll switch over to going through some of my old worlds and stuff. Try to stay up to date on cleaning up. Like every time I finish a project, get rid of the old worlds because I don't need them. Yeah. Like there's when you like ask you ask online like for help, there's like a lot of different solutions, but I don't know exactly which one is related to my problem. Okay, let's make sure the audio is working. Yeah. Okay, we're looking at this farm here. Hey, Panda. If you ask, people get mad. Wait, why do people get mad? I mean, like just checking out. If you just oh shoot, I forgot I wanted to record this. If you check out forums, you know, people already have their solution fixed. A lot of times that's easier than actually trying to. If I get my foot controller working, trying to find some place where people can help you one-on-one. So recording thing's working, and oh, controller's not working. I have to load Streamlabs and Steam and this. Okay, I'll record this. Pa. And you can farm up gas tiers automatically with my gas tier farm here. It's very loud. As it does need quite a few gas tiers to go along with the soul sand. Wait. Aren't these guys not dying? Ah. Weird. Maybe the principle of smallest not working example could help you narrow down the problem. Oh, can you explain that, guitar? What is going on here, guys? Did they make it so you only take damage when you're moving? No. We have something else that's big. Oh, he's on fire. Cloud's not moving, he's not. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Huh. So it's half the programs you run. When the problem arises, you know the problem. Oh yeah, so the thing is, like, it happens like very rarely. And it seems like it only happens when I'm streaming, which is when I'm running everything, so I can't really not run. It hasn't popped up for like a week too. What is going on here? Yeah, it's like if they're not moving, it just doesn't do anything. I guess I can just make a bug report. Hopefully they fix it. Okay. We'll write a bug report for this. I don't know when this came out, but whenever this bug was introduced. But it seems I don't need that, I don't need that. I'm guessing it had to happen something soon, because I didn't notice it the first time making this farm. Bugs are delicious, says Maddie. It's no longer take damage from Wither Roses. Something changed recently. Yeah. Okay, I can add my photo. I think that's everything I need. Why is this link so long? Not sure what's going on there. I mean, if you want to look at it, you can. But, always add more information to the bug report. Oh, okay. See if it's duplicate. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Their little search thing never works for me. Using the basic search, it never pops up with anything. So I guess if they don't want to fix their search thing, I'm not gonna bother trying to find anything. Hey, Maddie, what's up? There's a link if you guys want to check out the bug report. Papa. Papa. And you can start stocking up on soul sand as well, which you can get from bartering, which you can get from a gold farm. I have this really nice design here that's simple yet is really efficient. But speaking of bartering, they also changed the loot table of bartering, so now there is a chance of getting the new gas. Now there's a chance of getting the new dried gas when you barter with the piglin using gold ingots. This means it's going to be more rare to actually get the rest of the items because in order to add a new item, they had to make the probability of getting everything else slightly less. Although this change only reduces the chance by like 0.1% for most items. But if you want a bunch of but that is going to make a difference if you want a whole bunch of some of these items, so go ahead and stock up on all your bartering if you don't want to end up with a whole bunch of dried gas in your trades when using up your gold. Speaking of gold, if you want to, you can actually just store up your gold and wait for the next update, and then barter, and then only decide to barter with them afterwards in order to actually get that chance of the dried gas items. If you would like to just AFK to get if you would like to just use bartering method in order to get these new items. This design of mine is also updated so now it can work with looting as well, so you can get way more ingots and you get XPs as well after the nerf. Okay. Hey Lenny, what's up? I wonder if it broke this farm. Yeah, that's right. Oops. I should just change this to make this into a gas farm. Without the skeletons. Oh. They're just frozen. It's not a duplicate. Oh, wow. You found that pretty fast. I guess it could be a duplicate. It just happens that maybe it's doing something else than what I thought. You know, maybe it's related to like potion effects and something else. Something a little bit more basic. Okay. Hey, Toe. The drops? I already did a video on this farm, but it was a dried gas farm. Then they changed the recipe, so I think I'm just gonna change this farm out, but we'll do that some other day. Let me use, let's go to this one. Oh, I guess I was gonna, were they even dying? That's what I was gonna check. Yeah, see, I don't think they're even dying. I'm guessing it's something to do with the gas hitbox that they changed. Oh, the drops. The drops are coming out tomorrow. So it's like not just where the rose is. Also, powder, snow. Probably some change to gas. The box area. Looked at every wither road. Yeah, it's like I say, it's every gas bug. Okay. I think it's related to gas. I'm guessing gas, because they have been changing the gas. You know, like the way potions work on right, you know. Hard difficulty. Not freezing. What's wrong with them? Broken. Okay. Back to the other one. Oh. Wait, is this actually? I don't know. No, this isn't. No, this isn't. Is it? No. Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully I put out the right world download. Papa. There's also another new item that's coming out in the next update is the Tears music disc. But this cannot be crafted like the other new items. But rather you just have to send back a gas fireball. Or rather you just have to send a... Oh. I actually spectated it. But rather you just have to send back a gaseous fireball and hit it with it, and this will have a 100% chance of dropping the disc. Oh, almost died. But what you can do is start building this farm of mine, which actually lets you automatically farm up these. Which allows you to automatically farm up an infinite amount of these new discs. I looked at every Potter Snowball. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, it must be something. I think guessing something to do with the gas changes. Gas and potion effect changes or something. Papa. In my opinion, it's one of the best music discs. And in my opinion, it's one of the best sounding music discs in the game. So you might want to grab a bunch of them, especially if you're on a server where you can sell them to others. Oh, had to end the fun, guys. Okay, next up. Okay, I think we did pretty good. What's left? Oh, I can talk about this one. Then we'll be kind of done with the new stuff. Papa. And the harness that are needed in order to ride the happy gas are also craftable, meaning that you can collect the items before the update's even out. You can get the leather from either bartering or my hoglin farm. You get the glass from my automatic sand, from my sand duper. And you can get the wool, from a sheep farm. Papa. Leads also have a whole bunch of cool new uses. And you can prepare, which I covered in this video here, and you can prepare for this by making a bunch of them ahead of time. Although the recipe also changes in the version, so it no longer uses a slime ball, but instead just uses another piece of string. So in which case you might want to actually wait until this update comes out, because getting string is cheaper, as you can easily get tons of it from bartering piglins. We're getting slime's a little bit more annoying, but if you want to, I do have the simple slime farm that can be built almost anywhere. Okay, I think we covered all the basics, and then there's some other minor stuff, but we'll look at that later. Cool, okay, I think we're going to do the rest of the stream. We'll do something chill. And we'll probably run the farm while we're doing that. Which we need to downgrade in order to do that. Downgrade. Okay, so we'll have one that's running the tree farm. I guess I should try to figure out what's going on with the breakage. Say 300 days is equal to 100 hours. Okay, Twitch has run their scheduled ad in about 10 seconds. You guys can do what you want during that. I'm gonna try to clean out some worlds while we watch the farm. And we put that back up again, as well as those. Okay, and then we'll look at what we need. We need to look at other version. Oh, maybe the current version. Or the okay, we'll look at the snapshot. Might be a little bit loud. Oh. Is that, wonder, was that loud? Huh. Okay. Okay, so we need to clean out a bunch of worlds. I think everybody's back, right? Hopefully. So I'll try to keep my worlds cleaned up. Because then it gets really confusing later on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch this tree farm, and once in a while it blows up the mud or this hopper right here. We're gonna keep an eye on that. We'll see if there's any problems. Hopefully we can catch them on stream, and that way I can diagnose the problems. I can watch the stream back. Near, 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 near. So we have this world, which is the world we're testing this in. But we have other worlds like this too. So let me just type in 1.19 is good. Oh my goodness, look how many worlds I got. Guys, okay. They're not all this. Okay, this one has old in it. So that one's I'm just saving because it's. Why am I saving it? I don't know. Oh, you can do whatever you want, guitar. Yeah, prediction would be fun. But yeah, you can see I have multiple of the same world, which is not good. It's not my computer runs out of space. Okay, so this one doesn't have any copy thing at the end of it. So this is the original, apparently. Apparently. But it would not contain any new farm. I think it's safe to load it. The snapshots are in pre-releases. Well, this one says old as well. We have two that says old. Not sure why. Oh, okay. We're just gonna have to go through these one at a time. Otherwise, I'm gonna get so confused. So... this is the original. Let's go to the original world first. The world I'm currently in... oh, actually, wait. Okay, I gotta be a little careful, because I downgraded that world. That means that it broke some stuff. I definitely want to know on downgrades, but I think I can upgrade it. Ooh, prediction started. What is the prediction? Oh, will the tree farm break important blocks? Can I participate in it? I guess not. Oh, what the heck? Guess we got another one running on this world. Okay. So... okay, I'm trying to think how this worked. So I took that farm and then I put it here. Then I moved it up there for some reason. And then I thought I could compact it, so then I moved it over here and I tried compacting it and it did not work. I think this one's a failure. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure, remember the red trees would touch it and break it? Ooh, I had a sneeze. Okay. So this world, I'm pretty sure I want to keep. This is original. Even if we get the tree farm working in the other world, I'll just make a copy of it and put it into this world. This world does contain the previous version farms, and that's why I don't want to lose this world. It has bushes and the other stuff. What was it? Oh, the newest tree is a pale one, right? Yeah. What is this? Oh, it was copied on the end of it. Oh, whatever. Okay, so we'll keep this world. This world. These are my testing trees. Is there anything else to change this world? Oh. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in this world that's been recently changed. So keep this world. Now the question is, what do I do with all the other worlds? Let's start with the oldest. So what? I don't know why I would keep the old world. Yeah, I can't think of. I can't think of any reason why I'd keep old world. The problem is, as soon as I delete it, then I'd be like, oh, blah blah blah. No one is predicting. Everybody's AFK. That or they think it's too risky. Okay, I don't know. We have to delete these worlds. Oh yeah, one of them does has a cactus farm. Okay, let's just make sure the original has a cactus farm. Yeah, the cactus farm's there. Oh, it does not have this fixed though. Or wait. Maybe I was trying to run the farm? I don't know what's going on here. remember one of these days I came over here and I fixed this. Too risky. What did you choose? Oh, you think it will? Okay. Guys, I think there's some free money in the line. I mean, so far, it's been doing pretty well. Should come over, tweak these farms. They don't think they need all this extra stuff anymore. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember. We were testing the different birch for the other tree farm. That's not in this world, is it? No. Oh, yeah, then I moved him over here. I remember why I did that. This one does have all the big trees. I don't know why I want this world. That's the thing, like, at some point I just forget why I even kept these worlds. Yeah, I think the point is to return back to you, guitar. Hey, Brick. too many worlds. Get rid of this world. It should free up some space on my computer too. This is the original. I mean, these weren't made too long ago. I mean, what, like a week ago? I think I just made these just in case my world blew up or something. The drops are gonna come tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I think they're actually coming. How do you see the drops page? You might have to just search online, Twitch drops, you might find a link. Okay, yeah, this is one of the worlds where it blew up. I was trying to like kind of maybe diagnose why it blew up, but I cannot think of why it blew up. The only thing I think is like some of the TNT gets stuck up here and it wouldn't make any sense. Like how could TNT run for 100 hours in real life just fine and then all of a sudden somehow break? You still have your prediction thing. Oh, you need to finish a prediction. That's how you get your points back, Guitar. But I don't think you can finish it because you put your points up. So I think a different stream moderator or me, I'm gonna have to end the prediction. Oh, okay, you knew that? Okay. I was thinking that as soon as you joined the prediction, I was thinking, he's not gonna be able to end it now. I'm gonna grab some more water and I'll be back in a little bit. Hey, we're back. Okay. Maddie coming in with the drink up redemption and 100 biddies getting up on the biddy board. Thanks so much, Maddie. Go ahead and do that drink redemption right now. Got a stock of water so I can do all the drink redemptions. Perfect. Oh yeah. If you guys haven't followed my other links, we got quite a few of them, like Maddie said. But yeah, I kept this world just to see if I could figure out why exactly it blew up, but I don't think there's any way for me to tell. The other thing I can do is I guess I could also record. The problem when you're tick sprinting, everything goes by so fast. When you do look at the recording, it's kind of hard to tell, but I should be able to kind of tell what's going on. Let me just double check this world, and then we'll delete this world too. Okay. What's this? Oh yeah, that's normal. Delete. Yeah. I mentioned the 100 biddies. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that. It should pop up on the biddy board. Hopefully it does. I know it's not super fast, but also I don't think it was this slow. I mean, your other one's up there, right? Let's see. Of course, your sub was a while ago. Hopefully it pops up there. Let me know. See if we can make it snap back in there again. There. Yeah. We'll check in a couple of minutes. I'll see if it pops up. But the on-screen notifications should have also popped up. Probably have to redo those someday. You know, I'd like to put in some kind of like the different weird things, you know, that happen in my YouTube channel, like the dragon exploding, you know, with the wind charge explosion thing. That'd be a cool little, like, you know, like when someone gives a biddy or something, then that thing would play. Something, you know, something more related to my channel than the default ones. Yeah, it just takes time. I mean, it's almost something I should probably just do while streaming. Because I've been trying to stream like more behind the scenes of what I do. Even though it's not always as interesting. It's definitely insightful. Okay, so we only have one more extra world left. I think it's this one. Also created a... Right, that was created today? Wait, how was this created today? Or this was last visited today? Wait, did I make a copy today? Oh, did I just maybe I just randomly opened it? I don't know what's going on. Oh, this might contain the broken one too. Oh, yeah, okay. I was thinking maybe I should make a copy of it so maybe I can look at it a little bit closer. And we were trying to get the minecarts to work properly underneath as well. Should do it on stream then? Yeah, just kind of like me going through these worlds. Like, this really helps me out. Because then when I am making a video or something, I don't get confused by the extra worlds. So few worlds now. Incredible. Well, This is just one of them worlds, but we have, I think like a month ago we went through our worlds and got rid of them, so these are just extra worlds accumulated within a month, which is kind of crazy. Oh, so this world, oh, it was actually downgraded, so it actually did lose all its items. Okay, well. Well. Did it lose a, I wonder if they lost items in this world too, because I think they're the same world. Maybe that's why. Oh yeah, I think that's why I have the original world. So get rid of this world. And this is the original world. Hopefully everything's fine in this world. Yeah, this one. I'll probably delete that. So if the one on the right, this one works, then we'll move that one into this world, and then we'll keep this world going forward. That's why I try to keep the one that has the clean name. But yeah, let's see if we have any more duplicates. Did I also finish the sheep farm video? Oh wow, we do have quite a few. There is no original here. These are all copies. Oh yeah, this is the world where I did the video that I put out today. Okay, that's fine. Oh, but there's nothing in this world. Okay. Okay, we'll delete it. Oh, this is one with the chicken in it. Oh, but that's not the right chicken one. It only has a single chicken in it. Okay, we'll get rid of that one, because I know I have a better one. I forgot, I put the chicken farms in the same world as the sheep farm. Oh, I hear somebody squawking. But this one's also not right. There's only 2, and there's supposed to be 4. Better be in one of these worlds, otherwise we don't have it. Well, it's not this world. Well, maybe I renamed it. It might have a different name. Hopefully it does. Oh, I think I froze my game. Oh, guys. We might... It might be the end. Well, see, this is what happens. Like, usually one application will freeze, and then like pretty soon another one will freeze, another one will freeze, and pretty soon I won't be even end the stream because I won't be able to click the end stream button because that'll freeze too. No, it's not lag. I mean, my computer is lagging right now just because I'm doing the sprint thing. Tick sprinting. But it's not related to this. I'm pretty sure this is the problem I've been having. No, 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 no. Yeah, I think you do exclamation marks specs or spec maybe. What is it? Ah, there it is. But like, you don't need a good graphics card for Minecraft because it doesn't use graphics cards. I mean, it doesn't use very much of it. It uses a CPU. Like, my graphics card is currently running at 20%. It's like pretty much useless. My internal graphics card is also running at 20%. The i7, I did upgrade that halfway through the build, or halfway through its lifetime. Well, actually, it's probably like just 2 years after I built it. It was an i5. I can't go any higher just because my motherboard won't accept it. Oh yeah, I do use it for my video. Yeah, that's true. But actually, my editing software doesn't even like really take advantage of it. Yeah, I have a 480. Everybody says my computer isn't very good. Yeah. Oh yeah, this computer was literally made in 2016. So it's almost 10 years old, which is crazy to think. It feels like it was only 5 years ago that I built this computer. 20%? Yeah, like I'm telling you, like the graphics card is useless. I already have an idea of what I want to... Oh! Oh no, it's still frozen. I thought it was unfrozen. I already have a idea for the next next computer build. I posted it a couple times, and so far people, seem like it's a good build. And it's gonna be like it's gonna be really focused on CPU. Oh wow. Yeah, the thing is, like, I don't ray trace. I don't really do bedrock, so it's like my focus is mostly just to do good recordings, and I don't like changing my texture or doing shaders because then the game looks too weird for people. Like, if you make the game look weird, that people don't recognize it and they don't watch your videos. You built yours from scratch? Nice. Yeah, I was really afraid. This was actually the first computer I built. I mean, besides dabbling with our family computer. Oh, you buy them? I'm sure you can find... you can also just tell, someone else what you're looking for, and they'll put together and build it. I'm somebody that likes enjoying learning new things, so it was really risky because like I was trying to put the CPU in and I just kind of dropped it on top of all those needles, all those golden plated needles. Dude, I was so freaking out. I was like sweating. I was like, dude, did I just break it? And like looked at all the needles, like some of them looked bent. I was like, oh dude, they're bent. But like then I did it and it seemed like it was working, but who knows, maybe it's not working at full capacity. My build was like just under $1,000, but I didn't have to buy I didn't have to do like a bunch of monitors. Yeah, I had monitors, I had keyboard, mice, I had like a lot of the basic stuff, headphones, microphone, external hard drives. I just had to do like just the box. Well, I don't think our Minecraft is gonna survive. We're gonna have to kill it. Yeah, it is cheaper than buying from somebody, but you also don't have to have the hassle of building it. No, it's always cheaper to build your own than it is to buy. Just because you have to do your own man hours. Oh, well, here's the crash. He said something about memory, but my memory was just fine, so. I'm pretty sure the memory is fine. It never went over 50%. Then it says allocate memory. Let me just check the allocated memory. Is this allocated right here? 5 gigabytes? Building up ticks. No, I think it's more related to something wrong with my computer. Well, you spent $3,500 on your computer? Holy muggers. People think I should put more into my computer, which I probably should just because I literally do this. But it's like, also it's like, I don't like just buying an expensive computer if it's not actually tailored to my needs. Like I'm saying, like I'm not even using all my graphics cards. So it's like, why would I buy an expensive graphics card when I don't even use it? If anything, I should buy. I'm hoping to buy the best single-threaded CPU because Minecraft pretty much runs on a single thread. Stayed up for a year and a half. I checked how much it would have cost to pre-build it. Oh, it's $300 just for them to build it? Wow. I wasn't watching the memory, but I guess I could. Let me just check it on this guy. Memory is at 10%. What low numbers. Unless there's something wrong with the newer versions of Minecraft. I'm trying to think. Has my computer ever crashed with me not having Minecraft open? Oh, you put aesthetic computer. Oh, cool. You do large language models? Oh, that's cool. I always tell myself like, oh yeah, I'd spend more time doing AI stuff. But it's like, never make time for it. But I'm thinking like, what would I even do with it? Like, what's something I would do with the large language model? I thought about making a bot in the chat for you guys to talk to that would, you know, just say funny stuff or something. RGB gives it more FPS. Of course. It could make your thumbnails, but AI is never gonna make good thumbnails. I'm just gonna say that. Like, it might be able to make certain pieces of the thumbnail, but like, you guys know my thumbnails are really, really simple, so AI is not gonna, like, whenever it comes to if you're like a really good content creator, you will always make your own thumbnails. You might use AI to like enhance an image, or, you know, just like you use a program, but they're not gonna actually make the whole thumbnail. Anyways, I don't know what's wrong with this. Let me just try loading this again and see if it works. I guess, what do you do with your large language models? I mainly use it for coding and math. Okay, so you teach the language model to be good at a certain type of coding, right? And then do you just ask it general questions? Because I'm curious. Because I would love to have AI like helping me. Like, I love the idea of the whole agents. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to AI agents. They're essentially like something that specializes in something and they're really good at it. But I'd love to have an AI agent that could go in and grab clips of Minecraft stuff, but I know it's just going to be crummy. Oh, I'm sure they're going to take jobs, but I think it's more like people are just going to use them on the side. Okay, so it looks like Twitch is going to be running their scheduled ad again. See you guys back after that. We'll continue deleting worlds. Hey, Wildy. Oh, no. So you make, okay, a Quen 2.5 coder, 14B, trained in a lot of languages. Okay, yeah, I don't really understand that. But you ask it like coding questions like, hey, can you code this in this language? And it does a pretty good job at it. Car says they have minimal experience. It mostly doesn't understand the problem. Oh yeah, I could update that command. I should just update stuff as I see that, because otherwise I forget. That shouldn't be too hard for me to update that. It's, what is it? Oh, it's a command for sure. Which command is it? Schedule? Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Okay, it should be fixed. So I'm gonna do exclamation mark schedule. I mean, schedule. Or if you, wait. It was trained on 14 billion bits of data. That's not a lot, is it? Because a bit isn't very much. Have like, give lessons and teach, tells me what is wrong with my code. Okay, that's cool. So like rather than buying a program that people are selling related to coding, you kind of made your own. Well, that is pretty awesome. I have like given, okay, or that. However, if you do run it off your computer, you will need a much better graphics card because of the virtual RAM. Okay. Oh, you got your 5 stream streak going. Hey, Ophic. Oh, 14 billion things, okay. Yeah, that is a lot, especially for a personal one. Did anybody do the schedule command? Oh yeah, working. Yeah, there's probably some other places that where I have my schedule incorrect, but I don't know where. I guess if you guys see one of those places, let me know. I'm just gonna check my YouTube channel. Oh yeah, my YouTube channel's wrong. Okay, well, at least that's fixed. One at a time. Okay, let's get rid of these void worlds. Got a bunch of extra ones. Oh, froze again. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't memory. Even though you can search in your worlds. Yeah, that's not too new, but they did make some tweaks to it, make it a little bit better. Well. All frozen. Ooh. Minecraft doesn't like it when I delete the world, apparently. They froze it up. Two bits per person on Earth. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how much data there is. Well, let's exit out of this and see what happens. Uh-oh. I can't exit out. Let's see, can I start a new one? I'll just keep starting them, they'll just keep freezing. And another one. Oh, it's locked. It still thinks it's running. That's funny. Whatever. Trained around 1.2 trillion pieces of data. Oh, really? I thought it'd be higher. Of course, there's a big difference between trillion and billion. But that's, I guess it makes yours pretty impressive. Wait, what? What's the 314 billion? Oh, grok. Oh. Okay. Save and quit. Oh, let's try again. It's not like I'm running out of room on the computer. I freed up a bunch of room. Oh, I got the noisy ones. Yeah, it says it's 23 gigabytes left on my SSD. What if they gave mobs, AI creepers are running ChatGPT to pacify Okay, the mobs do kind of have AI, right? Artificial intelligence, but obviously it's not like super advanced. Was this the final designs? I can't remember. Still locked. Oh. Maybe deleting the world? No, it didn't freeze when deleting the world. Oh, there he came back. Did it actually delete it? Oh, I think it did. I mean, I don't know if there's any reason. Yeah, I already had this in a different world. Oh, maybe the world's kind of big. Okay. It's not really in terms of machine learning. It's just intelligent code. Okay. Give them ChatGPT. They'll never kill the energy again. Oh, I see. AI dragon. I mean, I'm sure somebody's gonna make a video, and there probably are already videos where they, you know, start giving some of the mobs AI just to see how they interact. I mean, people come up with the craziest ideas, and they follow through with it. I just keep with the vanilla game. Make that expensive to run. How would you do that? Because you cannot control the mobs. Yeah, just for what they. I'm sure somebody will figure out a way to make them more enhanced. Called enhanced mobs. Been planning Happy Gas since 2022? Oh, really? Where did it say that? I missed that part. That's true. How did you train your model? Where do you get all this data from? Internet. Really, do you just scrape the internet? You have the evidence. Hey, can you send me it on Discord, Maddie? The makers of the model train it. Do they really just is like everybody just train their models off the internet? Is that what's really going on? I don't know how that works. It just seemed like it'd be a lot of bandwidth. Movement player isn't in format that can be easily translated into control. Oh, I'm sure they would just make some funny AI thing for them. Okay, so I have a couple of these worlds. This is the old ones. I'm keeping that one. This is a 14, or this is a 4 or 5. This is a snapshot. Companies have tons of scraper bots. Oh. But would they run into like bandwidth problems, or did they run them from like different locations? I don't know how that works. Oh, guitar did the prediction end when my stream crashed. So it did, okay, and it probably returned your money. Oh, hey, Woodward. What have you been up to? Okay. Twitch is gonna be running their scheduled ad again. I'll see you guys back afterwards. Oh, we just got a raid. Let me snooze that really quick. Ooh, I was fast enough to click on that. Hey! We got a mud flap raid. Let me end this. How was your stream, mud flap? I was just about to take a break. Welcome everybody from the Mud Flaps raid. Let us know what Mud Flaps is working on. Let's give a shout out to Mud Flaps. He's a long-time Minecraft content creator, and he's been doing a lot of crazy challenges in his worlds. You guys can check out his extreme challenges on his YouTube channel, but he also streams because he just came in with a mega raid. So yeah, check him out. Drop him a follow. So you can check out his streams and see what he's up to when he goes live. What have you been up to recently? You always got these crazy challenges going on and you put a lot of dedication and time into them. Let me catch up with the chat. Oh, welcome in. We got Star, we got Technician. Also, Naira's here. Welcome, everybody. Okay. Looks like the ad's still trying to go through, but it'll be a little while. What is this? Oh yeah, there's a bit going on. Yeah, let us know what Mudflap was up to in their world. I'll show you guys what's going on. Okay, we got two things going on. So I'm making this new automatic tree farm. It can do 13 different types of trees and mushroom all in one. So I've been testing it I've been working on this for a while actually. Every time I run into a problem I kind of fix it and then I have to run it for a long time to see if there's going to be any more problems. So that's what's going on here. I guess I can make it big for you guys. So it can do all these different trees and mushrooms. It pretty much can do every single type of tree and mushroom except for that one. And there's not much redstone to it. You can see it's pretty simple. There is some TNT dupers, but you can switch it out and use dispensers if you want to. So we're currently testing it. When I run this for like 300 in real life hours, once in a while this hopper over here breaks. So I was just trying to see if I can figure out exactly why that happens. Maybe try to fix it. It's not a big deal. So that's what we've been running there. But if you guys don't know who I am, I'm RaisedWorks. I'm a YouTuber and streamer. I've been playing Minecraft for over 16 years. My 6-year anniversary was not too long ago. So it was Minecraft's anniversary. But yeah, I've been playing Minecraft before there was ever a survival mode. And it was just a really crummy game back then. But it was actually really good for its times. But yeah, what I love doing is I love designing automatic farms and machines, and I'm currently on a challenge where I'm trying to design an automatic farm for every single item in the game of Minecraft. So if you guys enjoy playing Minecraft, you want to make your game a little bit more fun, you always try to design a farm in your world or build up one. And I do have this spreadsheet here where I keep track of every single item in the game, and then I fill it out and I do a video about it. So over here on the right side, there's videos related to every single item. Shows how you can farm them up. If you're ever bored in your world, you want a challenge, like, I wonder if I can make a farm for that. Yes, there is probably a farm for it. I even have a farm for Ender Dragon, beacons, mob heads. Yeah, some of the most craziest things. I've made farms for it. You can check out that farm by doing !farm, or check it out in the videos descriptions of all my videos. But once again, I also do have a YouTube channel just like Mudflaps. So drop me a sub there. We're getting close to 500,000 subscribers, which is an epic milestone. And I do also post videos about a lot of weird glitches and tricks I find while designing farms. As I play in the latest snapshots, I find a lot of weird stuff before it ever comes out or becomes popularized. A lot of tricks ends up getting used over the years. And I do also do snapshot review videos. So if you guys want to learn about what's all new coming in Minecraft, I do those once a week. So we'll leave this farm here and we'll switch back to the other one. So this world, this is where I try to put every single type of farm that is playerless. And I try to put them all inside of spawn chunks. So this is what it would look like if you put all playerless farms inside of spawn chunks. Looks pretty cool. Because spawn chunks are these 3x3 chunks. And they're entity processing, which is really useful. Is it possible to make a mangrove tree farm? Yeah, it's just a little bit too complicated to throw it in with the farm. I might do it, who knows. I already have a mangrove tree farm. I was just trying to put them all into one. I'll show you in a little bit. Oh, I guess I can show you right now. It's right beside this one. Well, actually, no, it's a little ways away. I gotta turn this off. Otherwise, it might blow up. You always want to make sure to turn these things off before you leave them. This farm, or this world, contains all my 1.19, 1.20, 1.21 farms. Here's the mangrove farms. Mango tree farms. They just have, the only difference is they just have some pistons underneath there that push all the roots upwards so they don't cause problems. There's a duper version, there's a dispenser version. You see, they're actually not very complicated farms at all. I try to keep everything really simple. But yeah, if you want to find any of these, they're on the spreadsheet. Here's all my other farms. Like I said, I designed an automatic farm for almost every item in the game. We're getting down to the last couple ones. So one of them is like, I didn't do a video about my acacia tree farm. So this new farm should cover that. But you can see it could do all these different types of trees and mushrooms. And if I wanted to do that one, I would just have to add in the piston things underneath. Which, it's kind of annoying just for one tree type. But hopefully I can get it working good. I mean, it's already working pretty good. There's just a couple little things, like once in a while the mud breaks, which isn't a big deal. But it makes it kind of annoying when you have to switch between tree types, because you have to switch out, fix the mud, and hopefully we can get over that problem. But yeah, thank you Mudflaps for the amazing epic raid. Did anybody say what Mudflaps is working on during his stream? I know he has to do some pretty grindy stuff. What do you have a favorite build, like a favorite farm, or a farm build of mine, or machine build? If you haven't seen my beacon farm is one of my favorites. I actually designed it like 9 years ago. My first beacon farm was 9 years ago. I've been upgrading ever since. So definitely one of my favorites. Also, my automatic mob head farm. It can do creeper, skeleton, zombie, and even piglin heads. He's working on the skyblock right now. Oh, cool. What's the challenge of the skyblock? He's doing so many I can't keep track of. What's the restrictions for this one? Spy got regular, but he's trying to complete the game. Okay. Gotcha. You mean like trying to do the dragon kill? Like no obsidian, no end portal. Oh, okay. I mean, when you say regular skyblock, I mean, I don't know what to think. Like, is it like the OG the OG where like you actually have a whole grass platform? I'll show you guys more of my world. Twitch is gonna run their scheduled ad. I'm gonna use the time to grab some water. In the meanwhile, you guys can, like I said, check out, make sure you're subscribed to me on my YouTube channel. Also got Discord, Twitter, Patreon, TikTok, Instagram. Check it all out. I'm gonna go grab some water, and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody's back from the ad. Oh, he's doing like the OG L-shaped grass and with the chest. Is he actually doing the stuff in the chest too? Hey, Star Pups. Okay, explain that. And then Purple Dragon says, yes, OG one. Oh, cool. This guy's chill. Yeah, I mean, it's Minecraft. Can't get too worked up about Minecraft. Understand 0 redstone. It's not too complicated. What? One lava, one water, nothing else. Obsidian, no important. All in Minecraft. Only version I think can be in. Okay. Okay. So there's nothing in the chest. I think before the chest used to have. Well, I guess the chest had the water and the lava in it, right? But it used to have like sugarcane in it or something else too. Well, that's cool that Mudflaps is doing some redstone. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I was muted for a little while, when I was grabbing my water. Cool. Anyway, that's a basalt farm in the background. Yeah, actually, a lot of the farms are kind of boring to design. I think just because I really enjoy the challenging farms. But a lot of times farms are just not that challenging. Like their mechanics are just kind of simple and somewhat repetitive. But that farm was kind of fun to time, but then again, like the thing is, like the more complicated you make the farm, the less likely other people are going to build it, right? So like people like seed redstone, they get afraid, they don't build it. So it's like you kind of have to keep it sort of simple. But yeah, these are all the playerless farms. These can all run 24/7 at any loaded chunks. Servers, you don't even need a player online. Everything from down here are the old playerless farms. These are mostly crop farms. And everything, well actually no, they're mostly bone meal farms. Then everything from here upwards are all the new ones. These are the ones that just got introduced in 1.21.5. And these are all usually plant growth related ones using random ticks. So like you can now make playerless kelp farms and playerless bamboo farms. Those are the two really OP ones. But also cane. And there's even cactus flowers. That's a new thing. Mud does no redstone whatsoever. Wait, what? Oh, I see. He has other people that help him with it. I mean, but he's still implementing it, right? I mean, that's the start. I still need to do a video on my mushroom farms. But I have to figure out the perfect timing to harvest them. Because if you harvest too soon, you're not getting enough mushrooms. If you harvest too late, you're going to be wasting time that could have been used to grow a new batch of them. But yeah, essentially you caught us in a time where we're cleaning up our old worlds. Did that just move up? Wait. Wait, I swear something else moved up. Oh, it does move up. Oh, that's so silly. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're still running the farm, testing it on this guy over here. Um, 300 days. I guess I could switch out the type of tree. Hey, Skydev. What type of tree should we do? Sapling. Let's do... Cherry is kind of a cool one. Got some unique shapes. But yeah, and then while we were watching that, we were also getting rid of our extra old worlds. No, I did not. I haven't ran replay in many years. I just know when I run this overnight with the spruce trees, I don't think it's gonna break with these trees. So what was the last thing I did in this world? I think it was the we do need to update the chicken farm. Chicken farm's wrong. The Obsidian platform farm. Sounds like someone's playing the spoons. Yeah, I don't know how much room does replay take up. Does it take up quite a bit of room? What was the last thing we did here? I think we added in some more pistons to push some more leaves. Yeah, I think we added some more pistons here, so I don't think this is the right world, but before I delete it, let me check the other worlds. Oh, I've got to pay attention to the versions. Can't think of anything else that we did in this world. I do want to do a video about the semi-playerless farms, but... Oh, this one's also missing the pistons. Oh. Hold on. Maybe that game stopped freezing. Oh. Did I crash my game? Okay, I kind of know what the problem is. I think all the snowballs are flying through here at the same time. Well, I'm gonna keep track of, I guess, when we build the farm. I wonder what we have to do. I guess. Wait, no. Would it be a snowball? No, it's not. Oh, it's wither skulls. Ooh, I think they're wither skulls. I think I'm running the wither farmer now. How did I get the Minecraft Experience Cape on 2 accounts? 2 tickets. Actually, I was invited as a VIP to go. Well. Wonder if I can exit. Oh, I have a couple Minecraft games that are frozen now. Let me just see if I can exit out of these. That one worked. What's gonna happen when I exit out this one? Everybody always says Alt F4. I've never had Alt F4 help. Never helps. I don't know how you guys get to work. It'll work on a normal application, but as soon as it freezes, it never works. In my experience. It literally says the problem is I need to allocate more memory. Memory is just fine though. Okay, which one do we want to run? Well, maybe we should... Let's just run one so far. This game's also frozen. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's at max RAM. You tell me. Right here, this XMX5. Does that seem right? Oh, I should lower my render distance before I hopped in the world. Might be a lot of particles too. How much total do I have? I think I have 32. I think it was just a bunch of skulls that You know it's not good when skulls go the opposite direction. They're supposed to go one way and hit a wall. Yeah, I was purposely shooting them into this obsidian because it's really safe. I mean, they can break the obsidian, but it's really, really rare. Actually something... Oh, okay, okay. Oh yeah, I should load itself. I thought I unloaded properly. It's supposed to actually break this obsidian every once in a while. But it hasn't, which makes me really weird. I'm like really concerned because like they either change withers. I'm also playing hard difficulty, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Or something else is going on. Like, because it has eyesight with this chicken, it should shoot a blue skull every once in a while. But something might have changed. I haven't found how I set it. We'll take a look. You don't understand the RAM thing? I don't understand either. I just know if you put that number up, it should work. Oh, here's Obsidian Farm. See, this is what Mudflaps needs. Needs obsidian, right? What if you go to the what if you could go to the end dimension first, get your obsidian, then go to the nether. Tell whether to get his aim assist. Yeah, look at him. He can't even take on a simple chicken. But what I think happened is I covered up my previous farm with this farm. So I think I have to get rid of this guy. I think I was doing a video and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just replace it. Because they all use the same obsidian platform. Slurp. Slurp. But then I can switch it out by doing this. Which one's the... What's this one? Wait, why are there two obsidian ones? Oh, here's the tree farm. No, this is not... Oh, this is not it. What did I do with it, guys? Did I forget to save it or something? First of all, why is there two obsidian? With their obsidian farm, there's literally two of these. Oh, because I made it bigger, probably. The salt farm, cobble farm, sand duper, concrete. Hey, Boydie. Can I see the job argument? Sure. Someone said you're supposed to put a minimal limit too. 6 to 8 gigabytes? And they said don't put too many, otherwise it hogs it away from other applications. freaks out if it's over. However, with 20 gigabytes. But what if I run multiple Minecraft instances? Are they all going to grab 5 gigabytes each? I mean, the memory looks fine on my task manager. Yeah, I should probably figure out the right answer. Okay, so I have 3 worlds that are similar, and I don't know which one's which. This one has the oldest name. What do you say? Da, da, da. Number's not correct. but it is at 5 gigabytes for all Minecraft instances. Well, I don't know if for all of them, but each one has their own, but I'm mostly playing snapshots. I can check these other ones. And this one has 6, apparently. This one has 4. Is 4 the default? It prioritizes which one is doing the most. Different instances of the same version? Yeah, I think I mean not running right now, but you know, I was running two different Minecraft games. Then you allocate 8. Huh? Wait, doesn't each one use? If I look here, it says the memory is 5 gigabytes, right? It's only using 10% of it. Yeah, update the chicken farm. Right here, memory, this is how much out of how much. So it's pulling about 10% out of 5,000. That's megabytes, so that'd be 5 gigabytes. It's for all instances of that version. But what if I'm playing a snapshot and I'm also playing a full release? Like, but then what's it do? Because they both have different allocated. Oh, I don't get it. If you have 2 instances, oh, okay. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. It does seem strange, but... I mean, typically you don't run two of the same version. I can't remember what exactly we were trying to do here. Oh! Oh yeah, we're doing something where we're trying to remember count the leaves. Oh yeah, we thought about making a command block that destroys the leaf and then it was gonna count them or something. I can't remember what we're gonna do. Or I guess maybe we're just running the farm to see if we run out of saplings or not. I think we changed some timings and all of a sudden it really helped out. I think we were getting enough saplings to run it. I don't recall. It's a problem with jumping around with a whole bunch of projects. But I think we can delete these other ones. Weird, my F3 screen looks different. There is no memory in your F3 screen. Ah, there's memory in mine. Oh, I have a couple of different tiers for them. Oh, we have two. Oh, they're different types of farms. Wait. I don't know what this one is. This might be the world download. Oh yeah, I think it is. Right here, this is memory. What do you mean there's no memory? Oh, you can't see it. No. I think the overlay is in the way for you guys. Now can you see it? Hopefully you see it. Okay, I think this is just a duplicate of the world. Let's load up the version we're testing in it. Actually, we need to get rid of Let's see if I get rid of that. End. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Now we'll load up this one. Okay, we will test that world again. Oh yeah, I was wondering if this is gonna blow up or not. Because I unloaded it while it was running. But it looks like it's fine. Spruce, it seems like being the one tree that we're having problems with, so I'm thinking we're gonna test it with spruce. And it's all good right now. We'll see what happens. That looks so weird with the different logs. Nothing else is broken. I might try recording it. Replay would definitely be better. I think I have plenty of room to record a long video, as long as it doesn't get corrupted. Oh, actually, I actually don't have very much room. I need to clean out my folder. Probably should clean out my I can always delete older footage. I have a 1 terabyte drive for all my editing, all my videos. And I just kind of been piling up. But I do have 32 gigabytes, so I can record a bit. It's probably a way to stop the water from flowing, right? That would save some. So replay just used 10 megabytes per hour. Wow, that's really efficient. I should probably get that, but was it normal hour or was it ticks printed hour? If this can last 300 days without actually blowing up, then I won't really care. Okay, I'm going to find somebody for us to raid. And meanwhile, make sure you guys are following all my socials. Not only have a YouTube channel, of course, a Twitch here. Drop a follow here if you haven't already. Subscribe on YouTube, but I'm also got a Discord where I'm most active. Got Twitter, Patreon, a TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, even YouTube if you can find it. Thanks for posting a raid message there, Guitar. When we do the raid, everybody copy the raid message in the chat. Raid a message. So that they know we're coming in with a Raiseworks raid. Let's raid Jamal. We haven't raided him for a while. Working on his hardcore world. Raid Jamal. There. Start it. But yeah, as we do the raid, copy the raid message so that when we get sent over there, you guys can paste that to his chat. Spam his chat with the raid message. And also throw in whatever cool emotes you guys have. I do stream every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so next stream will be tomorrow. Probably record the next part of the update video. We've been looking at all the things that we should do before updating to the next Minecraft version. It's coming out soon. I'll try to get that video completed, that way it's ready for whenever Minecraft does an update. I'll probably, like I said, release it the Friday before the Tuesday that's announced or released. So we can look forward to that. The tree farm, still need to test it before I do the video on it. If you haven't seen it, I did put up a little shorts video today to hold you guys over for next week. And we'll probably be getting some more pre-releases this upcoming week. And then probably some release candidates the following. But yeah, I really enjoyed you guys tuning in today's stream. Thanks Mudflaps for the amazing raid. And I'll send all you guys over to Jamal. Show him some love by dropping a follow. And bye-bye.